Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see, does popcorn make you fat? For more information about weight loss, please click the first link in the description. Before we begin, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Popcorn is an easy snack to make, which is why many people eat it regularly. But does it make you fat? In this video, we'll tell you about it. Some people wonder if popcorn makes them fat, especially those who are afraid of gaining weight. But what is the truth? Can we eat this food if we are on a diet? There are myths and controversies about it, but nutritionists recommend it as a healthy option because it is a snack that can benefit the body. Read on and find out what it is. Does popcorn make you fat? Popcorn comes from a variety of this cereal called popcorn. When exposed to heat, popcorn explodes due to the overheating of the water and starch it contains. This is how this spongy mass with the characteristic aroma is formed. In fact, because of its ease of preparation, popcorn is consumed in many countries. It is ideal to accompany movies or as a snack. But why do we think it makes you fat? Perhaps this is related to the fact that the popcorn sold in general has an added energy value. That is to say, it contains higher amounts of salt, sugar, caramel or even butter, unlike those which are made at home. That is why, when they are made for personal consumption, only oil is used so that they do not stick to each other, and then they are flavored according to personal taste. To answer this question, a study published in the journal Antioxidants analyzed its composition and suggested that a cup of this homemade snack provides only 30 calories. What nutrients does popcorn provide? In addition to being a practical and economical option, popcorn provides various substances. In terms of nutrients, it contains carbohydrates, dietary fiber, fat, and protein. Thus, it also contains vitamins and minerals. According to data taken from nutrition data, popcorn contains vitamins B1, B3 and B6, vitamin E, minerals, such as iron, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and copper, phosphorus and potassium, fiber, polyphenols. In addition, science suggests that among the seeds of oats, wheat, and rice, corn has superior antioxidant capacity, due to its contribution of phenolic compounds, chemicals that protect cells. Fortunately, the bursting caused by cooking does not degrade or alter them. What benefits can its consumption bring? Although many people do not know it, consuming popcorn can bring significant benefits to the body because it is a whole grain. Due to the nutrients it provides, it contributes to overall health and well-being. Here are some positive effects. Weight control and digestion. Popcorn is an option for people who want to calm the feeling of hunger, because in addition to being low in calories, dietary fiber has a satiating effect. Thus, it is ideal to consume it between meals. This has an impact on the control of body weight. Likewise, those who ingest them can improve the functioning of the intestinal transit, reducing flatulence by adjusting peristalsis. Disease prevention. The fiber content and the presence of phenolic compounds work by reducing blood cholesterol, which prevents the formation of atheromatous plaques. It is a protective factor against atherosclerosis, which results in a lower cardiovascular risk. In addition, popcorn lowers blood pressure when consumed without salt and normalizes glucose. Indeed, studies emphasize that the prevention of cardiac pathologies also results in a reduction in the risk of suffering from diabetes, again by considering the presence or absence of additions, such as sugars. Popcorn does not make you fat. It's time to stop thinking that popcorn will make you gain weight. Remember that it is recognized as a healthy and complete alternative to other snacks. Most of all, it is low in calories and nutrients that contribute to your well-being. If you are looking to satisfy your hunger, control your weight, or even calm your anxiety, you can eat it. Of course, try to avoid those offered by the market, as the additives are harmful. Go ahead and make your homemade popcorn. Thank you for watching. For more information, please click the first link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.